Let's talk about flirting, the kind that's classy, not trashy. I'm sharing my secrets on how to be subtly seductive and leave him thinking about you all night. First, confidence is your ultimate power move. Walk into any room like you belong there, shoulders back, chin up, and don't forget that warm, genuine smile. When you make eye contact, hold it just a little longer than usual, then glance away, with a hint of a smile. Trust me, it's the oldest trick in the book for a reason. When you speak, slow it down and keep your tone low and soft. Authenticity wins every time. Don't force it, just own your space. Now, for flirting, that's all about finesse. Playful teasing works wonders. Think witty banter, not sarcasm. Drop a line like, "I have a feeling you're trouble," but in the best way. And if you're feeling bold, a brief touch on the arm or adjusting his tie adds intimacy, without being obvious. Style matters too. Seduction isn't about showing everything, it's about hinting. Go for a dress that flatters and leaves a little mystery, maybe a splash of silk, and your signature scent. Just a touch, not a cloud. Keep him guessing. Share intriguing bits about yourself slowly and ask questions that make him open up. Listen, lean in, and respond with real interest. The lip bite? It works, but only once. Make it count. Twirl your necklace, tuck your hair behind your ear, mirror his moves just a bit. And when things are heating up, be the one to end the conversation first. Leave him wanting more, always. Remember, elegant seduction is all about the tease, not the tell. Flirt with confidence, intelligence, and just a dash of mystery. Want more tips for first dates or texting? Let me know in the comments.